Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Apple ID, making it harder for unauthorized users to access your account. Follow these steps to enable this feature. Step 1. Open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where you can manage your Apple ID and security settings. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. This will lead you to your account details. Step 3. Select Password and Security. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option that says two-factor authentication. Tap on it and then select Turn on to initiate the setup process. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You may need to verify your phone number and answer security questions to finalize the process. Now you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication for your Apple ID, enhancing your account's security. Remember to keep your trusted devices and phone number updated for a smooth experience.